Did you know that over 3 billion people rely on marine and coastal biodiversity for their livelihoods? Unfortunately, these ecosystems are under threat due to overfishing, pollution, and climate change. But there is a solution, and it involves integrating indigenous knowledge for sustainable marine conservation. Indigenous communities have been living sustainably and in harmony with the environment for generations. Their knowledge and practices can provide a unique perspective and approach to marine conservation. By partnering with local indigenous communities, youth groups, and conservation experts, we can create inclusive and equitable solutions that protect not only marine ecosystems but also preserve cultural heritage. The first step towards this goal is organizing a series of workshops that bring together indigenous knowledge holders, youth activists, and marine conservation experts. They will share their perspectives and collaborate on strategies for sustainable marine conservation. The second step will be collaborating with artists and storytellers to create engaging and culturally relevant educational materials that highlight the importance of protecting marine ecosystems. These materials can be used in schools, community centers, and online platforms to promote intergenerational knowledge sharing and inspire action towards marine conservation. By empowering youth and communities with the knowledge and skills to protect the environment, we can create a sustainable future for our oceans and the planet. Moreover, promoting intergenerational sharing can help to preserve and strengthen indigenous knowledge and values related to marine conservation while fostering a sense of pride and connection to the natural world.